Do you need to upgrade the towels in your home? My name is Kate with WTI, and that's exactly what I needed to do. And I'm so glad that I found these towels by Cozy Art. You have got to check these out. The set comes with 2 large bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths, and they are all a fantastic size, quality, and softness. I was so impressed with how thick these are. I wish you could feel them through the video because they are so plush. And even after using them and washing them quite a few times, they are still just as soft and just as plush as when I first got them. They have a great absorbency, and even the face towel is really large. I was so impressed by the size of these as well. I have them here in this gorgeous burnt orange or harvest pumpkin orange, and it's such a beautiful pop of color. So these are the kind of towels that you're also going to want to have out on display in the bathroom. They're gorgeous, they're excellent quality, they're so soft. If you need to upgrade yours, I highly recommend checking these out, and that's my point of view.